What's up YouTube, I'm Wendy from flightkicscz.net. This is my website. Okay, as you can see, here is one pair Yeezy Boost 750 gray color shoes. You can check. It's very popular. So today I got it to do a review for you guys. So many customers ask me about these shoes. Yes. Okay, let me show you these shoes around. Very special shoes. Now let me show you guys the shoes details. You can check here. Upper is so many dots. Yes, and it's very ventilate if you wear it. Very comfortable and so soft. You can check. This material you can check here. Nylon material, yes. And the side part, you can check this side part. Shape very good. Yes. And here you can open the zipper to change the white. You can check this zipper. Very special design here. Yes. Another side. Also you can check the shape. Yes, and the material. Very comfortable. Okay, now let me show you guys the shoelace. You can check the shoelace pattern, very beautiful. Yes. And the stitching square, very regular here. Yeah. Also you can check here one Adidas logo. And another one is different. You can check also. Here is YZY. Different design here. Yes. Okay. Another different is here. You can check this Adidas and Adidas logo. But this one also is YZY here. Yes. Now let me turn to the back. You can check the back. So simple, but middle stitching is very good. Yes, you can check. Okay. Now let me show you guys the shoes button. You can check the button, white color, and the pattern very beautiful. Middle boost, you can check is real boost, very soft. Yes, this button. Okay, let me show you the inside size label. Here you can check the size label, very clear. You can check. Okay, and inside the stitching, you also can check very top quality. If you can't see it clear, you can go to my website. I have posted many pictures. Yes. Okay, now I want to show you the shoes pad. Steel gray color shoes pad, and here Adidas and Adidas logo, Yeezy. The back also one Adidas logo here. Also very soft. Okay. Here is another shoelace. You can change the shoelace. And the dust bag. Have two dust bag here. Very nice quality. Yes. Now I want to show you the box. It's very special. So big box and heavy. You can check the size label. You can check the size label first. Shoes name and the size here. Very clear. Okay, now Let me show you the box inside. You can check the inside. Yes. This paper. And also you can see here is sponge here. Will protect the shoes enough. Yes. So cool. Okay. You can see these shoes Yeezy Boost 750 is very popular now, so I got it. Yes. If you're interested in my shoes, you can go to my website flightkicscz to place your order, and will get $10 coupon code. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you next video. Bye.